Welcome to La Chica's tree trimming night. We have 2 new ornaments to add to our collection, and we'll be trimming the mid-century modern tree. One is a nice little RBG ornament, one of my heroes, and another is a cute little pink and turquoise Palm Springs one. So stay tuned and here we go.
Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Well, it's Christmas, pretty baby, and the snow is falling on the ground. Well, it's Christmas, pretty baby, and the snow is falling down. No sleigh with reindeer, no sack on my back.
So I hope you enjoyed the little tree trimming event that I had here in our socially isolated house. And I wanted to just say a few things. This year I think we've all been able to spend more time reflecting on our lives and think about, for me, what did I want to spend more time on? And that's really been friends and loved ones. I think also just spending more time on the things that bring me passion. And those are a whole lot of things, but obviously one of them is art. So I've spent more time really thinking about my art and how to make a difference using that art in the world. So I wanted to thank all of you for being La Chica fans and collectors and making a difference in my art journey. So thank you for being along for the ride, and Feliz Navidad.
Ain't got no sleigh with reindeer, no sack on my back. You gonna see me coming in a great big